All right, y'all. Good morning. I hope everybody had a beautiful weekend. The crazy energetic weather. Thank God we're going to be coming down this week with Mercury retrograde ending and this Scorpio full moon tomorrow. Oh my gosh. I don't know about y'all, but I like I need some major like vacation time, major self-care time. So if you're vibing to that, like you guys are not alone. So okay, let's get into today's topic, which is about internal reality projecting external reality. So, we're going to take it up in consciousness in this conversation today and give you guys a little bit of a reprieve from energy healing. Um, and so the way that I healed myself, and I'm not going to say I'm 100% healed, but the way I do heal myself is I use my external reality as like a cheat sheet. So, if I look up, it's because I see a lot of like orbs and beings popping in and out of my room. Anyway, and so if I'm at the grocery store and I run into a Karen or a narcissist, or if I'm getting gas and a creep is like talking to me, or whatever it is, right? If I go up in the mountains and some random stranger just comes and approaches me and like is being all weird and shit, I will, after the interaction takes place, and even sometimes like in the middle of the interactions, I'll catch it. Um, but anyways, I will like hold that situation, that conversation in my mind, when I get home or when I have time to self-reflect, and I'll say, okay, what is in my energy? What is it that was in vibrational resonance that was attracting this into my reality? Okay, so for example, running into a Karen in the grocery store, a narcissist. You're like, why the fuck is this lady talking to me right now? Like, what's her problem? Like, why is this lady coming at me all crazy, right? And it's because a lot of the times we all have narcissistic programming tendencies in the throat chakra or narcissistic programmings just in general in our energy. And so I actually did a meditation on uninstalling those and releasing those programmings in the throat chakra on my Instagram. So I'm gonna have to go back and find that and post it on my YouTube channel. But anyways, and basically like whatever happens outside of myself that triggers me and makes me feel like some kind of way, I will be like, okay, is this in my energy for one? And two, why is it in my energy? And three, where is it? Okay. Um, yeah, I'm just gonna say it. I'm just gonna say it. I'm just gonna say it. It's like when an unhealed masculine energy tries to approach me and um I'm in the mountains and this unhealed masculine person is just being a weirdo, he's being a creep, and I now get to go home and reflect and be like, oh my gosh, where is this unhealed masculine energy within me that was causing that to show up in my reality? Like, what the fuck? Get this out of my energy? And so anyway, and yeah, that's literally like how I shift into my highest vibrational timelines, into my next highest vibrational realities within all aspects of my life. Right? Because if we don't release that old energy, we're going to continue to perpetuate the same cycles. And so, yeah, I just wanted to talk about that today because it's so deep and you can really use it as a cheat sheet. And, one of the things that I did when I was a server last year was I would use like all of my tables. If they did something that triggered me or pissed me off, I'm like, okay, what's here? What is here for me? What is here what is being shown to me that's going on inside of me that I'm unconscious of, right? Because a lot of the times it is unconscious. Like we're not consciously doing those things, which is why it pisses us off. We're like, what the fuck? Like I wouldn't do that consciously, right? But the reason why you're attracting it into your reality is because it's unconscious. So there's this vibrational attraction happening on a non-physical level. And so, um, yeah, that is just one of my techniques and tricks that I will use to facilitate my inner work and actually start doing it more rapidly. And yeah, I think it's such a great cheat sheet to like really just expedite your next highest vibrational timelines. And so, um, let me see, let me feel if there's anything else I want to talk about here. Yeah. The only thing that's coming up right now is just the Scorpio. Oh my gosh, Scorpio full moon for tomorrow. Scorpio energy is very has a hidden energetic theme. It's very deep, it's very unconscious, it's very like in the depths, the deepest, darkest parts of like all that is. And it's such a beautiful energy, such a magical energy. And I have a cousin who's a Scorpio and I love her. I personally have a hard time getting along with low vibrational Scorpio men for whatever reason. I guess I just trigger the fuck out of them. Like my it's like they have an issue, like a lot of Scorpios have issues with vulnerability, and a lot of Sagittariuses have issues with freedom. It's like um part of Scorpio's lessons are to learn to like be more vulnerable and stuff, like be more comfortable being vulnerable, and like Sagittarius is really have to do a lot of lessons around freedom. Anyway, so funny, so interesting. Not all low vibey Scorpio men get triggered by me, but a lot of them do. So anyway, um yeah. So anyways, this energy right now, just for today and tomorrow, maybe like the next couple of days, but especially like right now, what I'm feeling in the non-physical is like going to the depths, the deepest, darkest parts of yourself and being like, where do I need to shine my light? Where do I need to shine unconditional truth? Where do I need to shine pure unconditional love? Like what needs to be illuminated? What needs to come to the surface? And oh, yeah, actually I'm going to share what I did. Actually, I don't know. Does that serve? No, never mind. I'm not going to share what I did for my inner work today. But anyways, I'm just going to say like what I did. I basically released this old belief system that I had um around doing things like especially with work and career, not like in a low vibey way, not in like the way you're thinking. It's like doing work in a way that's compromising like your soul. And I'm the kind of person where like I'm gonna do whatever it takes to be able to get whatever I want, like financially. And so like, if I see a hair serum that's $45 and I don't have $45, I'm gonna do whatever it takes to go make that $45 and then go buy my hair serum because it means that much to me. Like I value it. And so anyway, I just like I'll take on easy jobs here and there, like to make that money like instantly. And so anyway, um I will literally like pile on so many like things to do, and because I can't sit still. I have a hard time sitting still. And if I have to, I will literally like take on three jobs at once to like get what I want. And so it was an old belief system that I had to heal and release because it wasn't serving my highest contracts anymore. And so yeah, I just need to like dedicate my soul, all of my life force into doing what it is that I love, which is public speaking, like being an inspiration to others, empowering others, educating others, teaching people how to heal themselves. And I can't do that if I'm trying to work all these jobs. And so anyway, it's just so funny. But yeah, I wanted to talk about that today. So I'm really just gonna show up 100% fully into my YouTube channel and everything, and really just dedicate all my life force to this and my channeling sessions that I have on my website. So if you do feel called to do a one-on-one private session with me, by all means, you can go. I think I'll post it in the description box below. Um, I have 60-minute sessions and 90-minute sessions where I just channel your energy. Could be your higher self, could just be your aura overall. It could be connecting with your spirit guides, your ancestors, whatever it is. And then also performing psychic surgeries. So a lot of the times, like when we're trying to really let go of hardened shit that's blocking us um, from us creating and manifesting into our own reality, we really can't do that if we have stuff that is like literally hardened program there. And so what I do is I'll go into your energy and basically perform what I call psychic surgery, to release it, to release that energy, the hardened rock energy that's stuck, that's causing you to perpetuate the same cycles over and over, that's causing you to perpetuate the same relationships that you have with certain things over and over. That way you can really begin to shift a lot more drastically and really power forward. So, anyways, if that totally resonates with you, um, totally book online if you feel called. If not, stay tuned for all of my amazing energy healing content videos and all of my inspirational videos, my educational videos. I am so excited to be able to teach you guys 100% showing up fully on how to heal yourself and how you can start living your best lives. So I hope this resonated with you today, and I will see y'all in the next video.